Today we're diving into the world of rugged exploration with the RUGCEL Winch 12000 lb new waterproof electric synthetic rope winch, designed to be your ultimate companion for any off-road adventure. This newly designed model features a black frosted spray paint finish with new materials that resist rust and enhance durability, while the all-steel shell ensures superior protection and improved heat dissipation for long-lasting performance. Specially crafted for ATVs, UTVs, cars, boats, trucks, jeeps, and multi-purpose utility trailers. This winch is powered by a robust 7.0 horsepower 12-volt series wound motor and a 3-stage planetary gear system, complete with an 85-foot nylon rope for exceptional pulling power. The innovative 3 sets of 3-stage planetary gears provide differential, deceleration, and reversal capabilities, achieving a large speed ratio for efficient coaxial deceleration. The standout feature is the new 2-in-1 control system, combining wired and infrared remote control, with a signal range reaching up to 100 feet, offering unparalleled convenience and functionality. With the RUGCEL winch, you're not just equipped for the journey, you're prepared to conquer any challenge the trail throws your way.